Tired of spending hours cleaning your pool? Want a game-changing solution for pool maintenance? Stick around as we dive into the incredible features of the Beatbot AquaSense Pro Pool Robot, the ultimate robotic cleaner that will transform your pool care routine. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're bringing you an in-depth review of the Beatbot AquaSense Pro Pool Robot, a cordless, powerful pool cleaner that's revolutionizing the way pool owners deal with dirt and debris. And what better way to review it than by sharing real feedback from customers who have used it firsthand? Our first review comes from an Amazon customer who says, "This is the first time I've had to deal with robotic pool cleaners. There was so much dust, dirt, and even gravel in our newly installed pool. The Beatbot did an outstanding job cleaning everything up after construction. Best cleaner ever. We even named it BB, and it saved me so much time and effort. Simply amazing." Imagine achieving that kind of result right after a messy pool installation. No hassle, no heavy lifting. Just clean, crystal clear water. BB sounds like the hero we all need. Next, Evergreen74 shares their experience. "Does a great job. Sometimes it gets stuck on our handrail, but not too often. It really keeps the floor clean, and we use it 2 to 3 times per week." This goes to show how reliable the Beatbot AquaSense Pro is for regular maintenance. Even with small issues, it consistently delivers when it comes to keeping the pool floor spotless. Patrick Dwyer provides a more detailed review. "I've used my Beatbot Pro 3 times now. The first 2 times were on bottom-only mode. It cleaned pretty well, but left some debris behind. On the 3rd try, I used the full mode: floor, sides, waterline, and surface. I have a 30 by 40-foot kidney-shaped pool, but there's no set cleaning pattern, so it misses some spots. For the price, I think it should clean more thoroughly." Patrick's experience shows that while the Beatbot AquaSense Pro is highly effective, it might not follow an exact pattern in every pool. But with its powerful features and versatile cleaning modes, it's still one of the top choices on the market. VineTime gave an amazing review. "Geez, does this thing perform like a champ? Power, performance, and runtime are all top-notch, comparable to corded machines, which are much more expensive. Cleans our 9 by 18-foot pool with ease. No dirt or debris left behind." For those wondering if this cordless pool robot can match the power of pricier models, VineTime's review makes it clear. The Beatbot AquaSense Pro is an absolute powerhouse. Lastly, Cynthia Campbell shares her experience. "Works pretty well, but it gets confused by our pool shape and won't go higher than our 4-inch walking ledge. A software update would be great. I love the phone control feature though. Lots of options." Cynthia's review highlights how advanced the Beatbot is with its phone control and various cleaning modes. It's a smart cleaner that keeps improving with every software update. So there you have it. Real feedback from pool owners who have put the Beatbot AquaSense Pro to the test. Despite a few minor quirks, the overwhelming consensus is that this robotic pool cleaner is a game-changer for anyone seeking a powerful, hassle-free cleaning solution. With features like intelligent path optimization, automatic surface parking, and powerful suction, it's the top choice for both in-ground and above-ground pool owners. Ready to make pool cleaning easier than ever? Click the link in the description below to learn more and grab your Beatbot AquaSense Pro Pool Robot today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more reviews, and click the link in the description to check out the Beatbot AquaSense Pro, because your pool deserves the best.